big development in Himachal, where after facing backlash, now the state government has decided to drop the probe. The Congress Sarkar has decided to scrap preliminary probe, and no action will be taken on the driver or the conductor of the bus where the video was played that allegedly defames Rahul Gandhi. Is this a face saver? Let's go back to our reporter Poonam, who was getting us updates on this developing story. U-turn now, as we were discussing, and this definitely, comes as an embarrassment, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously, now when earlier it was that like inquiry was given, explanation was asked from the conductor and driver, like regarding what were you doing when video was played, Rahul video was played and debate was going on, and now the U-turn has been taken, and now MD Rohan Thakur has clearly mentioned that no action will be taken against driver and conductor. Now this is totally like the mistakes they are doing. Like he's clearly mentioned that words which should be used, that language was used, and now he also said that I agree that mistake was done. Wordings which were used in the letter was wrong, and now this mistake will not be repeated earlier in future. And he also said that now no action will be taken. And this is like really, and we, whenever in the morning when such type of news came, sources gave us a letter regarding this news that a letter has been issued and explanation has been asked regarding such a small issue.
Right.
I was from morning only I was trying.
Right.
Like
Poonam, stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in from the managing director of HRTC, Rohan Chand.
बुलाइए, हम बस प्रबंधन HRTC के प्रबंधन की ओर से कुछ चीजें स्पष्ट करना चाहेंगे। सोशल मीडिया में एक खबर बहुत वायरल हुई है कि हमारे ढली यूनिट के एक परिचालक और एक चालक को एक शो कॉज नोटिस या एक स्पष्टीकरण, एक एक्सप्लेनेशन मांगी गई है। इसके बारे में मैं आपको बस शुरुआत में दो चीजें कहना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहली बात, ये एक कंप्लेंट थी जो एक हमारे यात्री ने की थी। वो रूटीन में जैसे हर दिन, क्योंकि हम एक कस्टमर के पैसेंजर बिजनेस में हैं, लगभग 5-6 लाख लोग हर दिन हमारे बसों में यात्रा करते हैं, तो कंप्लेंट्स आती रहती हैं। तो ये कंप्लेंट थी, ये हमारे लोकल यूनिट ढली में DDM लोकल को गई थी और वहाँ से इसकी इंक्वायरी की गई। फैक्ट फाइंडिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, बिकॉज किसी भी कंप्लेंट को क्लोज करने से पहले आपको फैक्ट फाइंडिंग करनी पड़ती है। फैक्ट फाइंडिंग की गई, उस कंप्लेंट में जो भी एलिगेशन था वो निराधार पाया गया और कंप्लेंट बंद कर दी गई है। दैट्स नंबर 1। नंबर 2, जिसपे सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत वायरल हुआ है, तो वो है जिस प्रकार की वर्डिंग उस एक्सप्लेनेशन में थी। वो एक्सप्लेनेशन हमारे DDM लोकल के ऑफिस से इशू हुई थी। डेफिनेटली अगर आप मेरी निजी राय लें, हमारा पूरा प्रबंधन मानता है उसकी वर्डिंग बेटर हो सकती थी।
All right, so that was the managing director of HRTC, who's now issuing a clarification saying that the words that were used in the notice could have been better. Also saying it was just a complaint, and before we wanted to close the complaint, there's a process which is fact-finding, which was done by our team.